Hi YouTube, Monster back here again with a first impression video of an exciting knife that just recently came out by Balisong. We're going to no further ado get right into it. This is going to be the Reaper. Just have to make sure you don't see my address. Thank you, BRS. Nicely packaged. Straight from New Mexico. There she is in very expensive packaging. Very expensive packaging. Oh! Is this anything important? No, it is not. Okay. There's that. Now, without further ado, let's look at this light knife. And there it is. Zero tap, as you'd hope. Good thing it came in a paper towel because we wipe off the lube that was on the blade. Look at that knife. Let's get it right on the scale. First things first. Let's say 4.16 ounces. That is pretty damn light. Alpha Beast, for reference, 4.93. Let's check out the balance. Relatively handle heavy, as is my preference there. Ooh, that sound was great. We'll compare it to an Alpha Beast. Pretty similar if the Alpha Beast has more handle bias. And of course, the sound test. This sounds like a wind chime. Holy shit. Would you look at that knife? M390, sharp as hell. Grade 5 titanium handles, I think. We've got beautiful milled titanium, similar to an EX10. Sandwich style construction. Let's listen to this some more. The pingiest handles I think I've ever heard. This thing is pingy as shit. Damn, that thing is sharp and quick. What a fascinating knife. Listen to the ping. So, I should describe this a little more. This is a knife by Balisong. It's called the Reaper. You can see the little Reaper right there. Alright, I brought out some different knives for comparison. So, Balisong, this is the Reaper that I just purchased. This is another knife that he made. It's called the Zolo, right? Channel titanium, wacky blade shape. Doesn't sound anything like the Reaper. It's a much different knife. And then I brought out my EX10 just because it has similar milling pattern. And actually a really similar blade shape. I never noticed that. But doesn't have this ping. Not at all. Very different. Will it fan? Yes, it fans. A little hard to fan, but fannable for sure. Should chaplain as well. Absolutely a chaplain. This thing is so light. Not as light as a Tsunami, because this knife reminds me a lot of the Tsunami, where it's light sandwich, cool milling patterns on high-grade titanium. But this knife isn't $700 like the Tsunami. It's more affordable. I'm gonna do just a little bit of flips over the couch. Incredibly smooth, as you'd expect, as you'd hope. Yeah, so that's that. That's the Reaper. I don't have much else to say about it. Small verdict from my first 10 minutes of flipping it. It's excellently balanced. A little bit more handle heavy than blade heavy, which is what I want. It sounds like a wind chime, which is beautiful. The grip on the handles is really good for flipping because it doesn't make the titanium stick to your hands unlike a raw titanium knife. The weight is a little bit light, which I know is what people are going more towards these days, but I'm more of a heavyweight knife kind of guy, but I could get used to this, right? Great for choker fans, great for regular fans. You can just spin it and it spins. Wait, let me start a fan, there we go. And the other way too, I'm still working on that. Yeah, I don't have much more to say other than that. It's a gorgeous butterfly knife that I would gonna continue get a little bit more accustomed to and get a review out eventually, but that is the Black Balisong Reaper. If you have any questions about it, just comment in the comments and I'll answer as fast as I can. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.